They say that money is in the list, the email list that is. But how do you build that email list in order to generate an income? And do you build that list full of leads? Or do you build it with only customers? That's what we're gonna talk about today. My name is Björkman Benediktsson. I'm a venture advisor, mentor, and online business owner. I run a business in the audio industry called Audio Issues, where I help musicians and producers make better sounding music. But I'm making this channel available to those that are in the trenches of online business, or maybe you are a service provider or offering services in some way, and you want to take it online or create digital products from your knowledge. If that's you, this video is for you and this channel is for you. So make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss another video. So in this video about building your email list, we're going to be talking about the 2 schools of thought when it comes to building an email list, which strategy you should use to build an email list. And at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you my strategy for building my email list that you can swipe to get the sort of best of both worlds. All right, let's get into it. So there's 2 schools of thought when it comes to building an email list. One is through lead generation, or giving away freebies, basically giving away a free lead magnet or an opt-in content upgrade or an opt-in bribe, and that will fill your list up with people that are interested in what you have to say because they have downloaded a small version of your expertise, your thought leadership, or your knowledge. I'm sure you've seen this a million times before. You go to a website, they offer you a free checklist or a PDF or a video masterclass for free. You sign up to an email list to watch it, and then they send you other offers after that. And if you're interested enough in what they have to offer, or they look like they can help you solve a problem that you have, you might upgrade or buy their premium product. So why does the free lead magnet strategy work? Simple. It's easy for people to say yes to free stuff. Therefore, your list grows fast. And even if they don't buy from you, they might still become fans of yours and share your content with other people who in turn may join your list and they might buy. So don't discount the value of a free lead, even one that doesn't buy anything from you. However, that is of course the downside of the free lead magnet list generation strategy. Not everybody is going to buy. Some people just want to download the freebie and get the free stuff from you and won't ever spend any money with you. If you build a list that only does this, it's actually going to cost you money in the long run, because those emails will actually start costing you money in your email marketing software, because each subscriber contributes to a monthly payment that you have to pay to your email marketing provider. And so if you have 50,000 people on your email list, you might be paying up to $500 a month. And if those 50,000 people aren't buying anything, it's a surefire way to go bankrupt. However, if you're just starting out, this is still a solid strategy to use to grow an email list quickly, because it allows you to build an audience, get feedback from people, and really get to know your audience better. It helps you do your market research with real people instead of just looking online to see what people are talking about. You actually get to interact with your list. And even if they're not buying anything then and there, maybe because you don't even have a product yet, or they're not interested or not ready for your product yet, you can still do a lot of research into understanding your audience when you're building a list with only free lead magnets. However, if you're looking to make money fast, there is a better way, albeit a slightly riskier one, and that is to offer the low ticket product. So instead of a freebie, you sell a low ticket, low price product right away. Maybe that's a $7 ebook, a $27 mini course, or a $9 template pack, something in that range, from $5 to $30 or so. It's very easy for people to say yes to a $5 offer if it's just something that they might be interested in. It's sort of a no-brainer, no worries if it doesn't work out mentality that a lot of people have. And so the advantages of offering a low ticket product is that you attract buyers, not just freebie seekers or tire kickers. And when you have a list full of customers, those customers are very likely to buy from you again, as long as the product that you offered them the first time around is actually good. If your first product sucks, don't expect repeat buyers. And if you play your cards right, you can have a profitable business pretty quickly, because you are immediately generating revenue and getting customers into your email list, or into your sphere of influence, if you will. However, the disadvantages of this are, of course, that it's hard to get people to pay money up front. A lot of people want to see what you have to offer and sort of consume your content before they spend money with you, which is where your social media content or your marketing messages across your marketing channels are so important, because if you can gain their trust and show your credibility and authenticity on the social media organic content, they may buy the product from you if they see an ad for that product. And of course, you can't just throw something together. Your product needs to be solid and needs to deliver real value and solve a real problem. And in order to get results quickly, you will need to spend money on ads in order to get that product in front of as many people as possible, because organic reach is simply not what it used to be. And if you want to test ideas out fast, you will need to spend some money on advertising in order to see whether your marketing is working or whether your product offer is actually converting. And so when it comes to ads, both for the lead magnet strategy and the paid product strategy, your ad costs will be different. Your cost per action will be different. You might be spending about $1 per lead on your lead magnet, which is what I'm getting. I'm getting about 70 cents to $1.50 per lead. But on the flip side, I'm spending about $7 to $8 per customer on my paid product ads. So you need to do a little bit of math to see what works best for you. And it depends on the product suite that you have in general, not just the small, early, low ticket offer. That's not going to make you rich. It's really something that should just be offsetting your advertising costs and maybe making you a little bit of a profit. But you need a dedicated product suite of more products, more services in order to become profitable, to scale your business to 6 figures and beyond. And so which strategy should you use if you want to build a list fast and nurture leads over time? If you're good at email marketing and good at getting in touch and nurturing people and always contacting them via email, maybe your free lead magnet is all you need. But if you want to make money up front and attract serious buyers, then having a low ticket product is a great strategy as well. But of course, the best strategy I recommend is to do both, because it attracts best of both worlds. And combined with a robust and solid long-term email marketing strategy, you can get buyers up front and buyers over time, and you can use your email marketing to convince the lead magnet email subscribers to buy your low ticket products or even straight to your higher value products. And then you can nurture your customers that you've already converted through your paid ads into customers of your other products. So if you are trying to build your email list, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below and tell me which strategy you are using. Are you using the free lead magnet strategy, or are you doing a low ticket product? And if you're just starting out and debating between both, which one are you going to start with? Leave a comment below and let me know. And before you leave, if you got value from this video and found it useful, please like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss another video. All right, I'm Björkvin Benediktsson. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.